Welcome to List It Live, where we give you a guided tour of San Diego's hottest homes for sale. I'm your host, Valley, and I'm here with Rebecca Monge. Hello.
Thanks, Valley. Great to be here.
Okay, Rebecca, I am excited to learn about this property over here in Oceanside. Tell us about it.
Perfect location, right? Location. This is in Rancho del Oro, where everyone wants to be in Oceanside. It is in the gated community of Alacima. Really great, cute little community right in the middle of everything. You could walk everywhere from here. She has a pool view home. So from the second floor in one of the bedrooms, you're looking out over the beautiful pool. Tot lot, pool area, gated, great little community. This is her little back patio, which is actually very spacious. A little hard to tell from this picture, but a beautiful patio. She has updated this kitchen. I'm sorry about that. I love the backsplash. It's hard to tell from here. This is called Ocean, and it's gorgeous. And that is a built-in magnetic knife holder. And that backsplash goes all the way around the kitchen. Our client really is a gourmet cook. And so it is really set up for that and entertaining. You can see it's got the eat-in bar area there. And she's got these, you see how on the side there's like shelf built in. There's other built-ins around the other side. There's a lot of thought that's gone into this home. That's a beautiful luxury vinyl plank flooring downstairs. She also did this custom stone fireplace and a custom hearth. This is the downstairs half bath. The other two full baths are upstairs. This is the bedroom, large closet, light and bright, plantation shutters, but this one looks out onto the pool. There it is. This is a beautiful home. This is a Jack and Jill bathroom between two of the secondary bedrooms upstairs. And this is the primary. One great thing is this primary, high vaulted ceilings. The whole house has high vaulted ceilings, which makes it seem huge, but it has two closets. A huge closet here, off to the right is another large closet, and you can see it's just beautifully done. Very tasteful. Paid solar. She has absolutely no electric bill. It actually covers about 9 months of her gas because of the overage. So you only have a gas bill for about 3 months because she has a gas stove.
Am I noticing a two-car garage as well?
That's right. There is an attached two-car garage. You can drive right in there and come into the house.
Okay.
And in the garage, you'll notice the tankless hot water system. You'll also notice the whole house water filtration system. So there's a lot going on in this house. It's really beautiful.
It seems like a fun house to live in. Is there any open houses coming up? Private showings?
Yes, there is a lockbox, and we will probably be arranging some open houses. I just don't know at the moment what they are.
So private showings right now. You need to get out and see this home with Rebecca. It is 4610 Los Alamos Way, Unit C in Oceanside. Listed at $834,500, a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1,539 square feet. Really feels like a huge home with those vaulted ceilings.
It does.
Reach out to Rebecca. Her phone number is on the screen. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.